Let me bring in former Law Minister and senior BJP leader Ravi Shankar Prasad. Mr. Prasad, thank you so much for speaking to NDTV, sir. You made a passionate speech in Parliament. As an MP from Bihar, what political implications you think the passage of this bill will have on Bihar, given the fact that the elections in the state are scheduled for, perhaps will be taking place in the next 6 months, sir?
There is a basic flaw in your query, Mohtarma Maria Shakil. You are trying to confine the implications of this particular legislation only to my state of Bihar. I would say this is a great moment for empowerment of the Khawateen of the Muslim community, the Bewas, the widows, whose rights have been taken away, for which purpose the whole Waqf was created. The marginalized community of the Muslims spectrum, namely all the backward Muslim, the extremely backward Muslim, the Pasmandas who are extremely backwards. I would like to begin with the very core of the issue in this debate. No mosque is going to be touched. No ibadatgah or qabristan is going to be touched. The issue is very, very simple and straight. Whether the intention of the Waqf who created the Waqf for noble purpose is being executed properly by the Mutawalli or not, who is the manager. The Waqf is not a religious body at all. It is a legal or a statutory body. And I quoted from the Mullah's Muhammadan law revised by the eminent jurist, former Chief Justice Hidayatullah. He is just a superintendent or a manager. He does not have any rights over the property, because once a Waqf is created, the property vests in the Allah, peace be on him. That is the core issue. You come from Patna, where I come also. Go to Dak Bangla crossing, turn left toward Gandhi Maidan. Go to the big, big buildings and the five-star hotels and the showrooms and the malls which have come up there. Most of those are Waqf lands. No? And therefore, legitimate questions I need to ask. When 8 lakh property number highest in the world Waqf property is concerned, how many hospitals have been erected? How many universities, how many schools, how many training centers, skilling centers? Nothing. Nothing. Therefore, what the Mutawallis or the managers, the issue is simple, this, and let me put it in Hindi. मैनेजर साहब की मैनेजरी ठीक चल रही है, वो वाकिफ़ के इरादों के मुताबिक वक्फ चला रहे हैं या अपने पॉकेट को गर्म कर रहे हैं, यही तो सवाल है ना. और उस पर ये हो हल्ला तमाशा बच रहा है. Not fair. We will explain them, and let me tell you, people from my state only and the entire country are going to appreciate. Many of them heard me speaking around the country as of other participants, and they were dismayed and amazed to learn there is so much of property which is being put to misuse.
Okay. Sir, you were the law minister when the triple talaq legislation came into force. At that time, the argument was similar, that this is for the Muslim women. It is for gender justice. You're also making this argument that this legislation will ensure transparency. My question is, sir, that it's your government in Bihar. The board members, or that is the Waqf board members, are nominated by the state government. Then shouldn't your government take the onus if there is corruption? The question is about checks and balances. That should be done by the state government.
My point is very simple. The mechanism of transparency was just very not deep at all. Government lands are being acquired. No proper inquiry used to be done. And within the realm of Section 40 of the 2013 Act, किसी ने कहीं पर अपना उंगली रख दी, वो वक्फ हो गया. I think the whole board has every right to declare anything. Now there is a transparency. You have to give their account. हिसाब देना पड़ेगा. Your audited balance sheet has to be filed. Consequence will be there. And by the way, as far as Who are the people? There are retired judges, Supreme Court, High Court, eminent persons, academician, and the Muslim woman will be also, the woman will also be from the Muslim community. Therefore, if the entire thing is being made accountable, everything online available, digitization process is there, you can see which property is where, who is the mutwalli, what is the use being put to this particular property, waqf, in terms of the intention of the waqif. So all these things are very transparent now. And if an attempt is being made, what's the problem?
Okay.
This reform was needed, Maria. Go globally and see what is the position. In many Muslim countries, there is no waqf. You know it very well. But today, waqf is there because it is something available in the Islamic law. Fine. Therefore, it must be done in a transparent manner. And the core issue, I repeat, no qabristan or masjid or place of worship of the Muslim community is going to be touched at all. The core issue is whether mutwalli, the manager of the property given by the waqif for a pious cause, is being put to that use or not.
Okay.
Or to fatten his purse. That's the very simple core.
So my question is that BJP has been a beneficiary also of the Muslim vote bank, keeping in mind that they have supported Janata Dal United, that is your alliance partner in Bihar. And these Muslims have voted for Nitish Kumar. Are you not fearing some kind of backlash from this community? You know, JDU could face that in Bihar now.
This logic is being extended from the day Mr. Nitish Kumar has come to us. That is from 1996. The same logic, Nitish Kumar goes in the company of communal forces. But since you have raised this issue, Maria, you have some experience of India's polity and politics both. Let me take you and also to your viewers to a course of a journey which began in 1986 in the wake of Shah Bano judgment. And I said in the parliament myself, you reverse the judgment giving few hundred maintenance to an old lady. And thereafter came the whole triple talaq, again the Supreme Court judgment. And I would like to highlight here that the All India Muslim Personal Law Board told the Supreme Court, don't give any verdict. We will develop a proper nikahnama which will not permit the condition of triple talaq. They were in the forefront of opposing it. Then the Ram Janmabhoomi issue, the same thing. Then the Article 370, the same thing. The CA, the same thing. Not even a single citizenship right of a single Muslim of India has been taken away. But the larger issue is, I would like to highlight here, we were two in 1984, Mohtarma Maria Shakil, just two in 84 Lok Sabha. Where are we now today? Ruling the country in more than 21 states of the country. Nitish Kumar ji, our very proud colleague and friend, is the Chief Minister for 19 years.
Yes.
This tectonic metamorphosis of India's polity, where the nature of argument is the same, secular, communal, appeasement. The world has changed, India has changed. And I would say the young people of the minority community, the others, thinking community, have also changed. And that change, allow that change to happen. And some people are trying to frustrate that change by the same logic of 90s and 80s. At least you don't fall prey to that.
All right, Mr. Prasad, thank you so much. Always a pleasure having you on my shows.